mustard oil. Heat the mustard oil on medium flame. Now add rosemary in it. Cook it on low to medium flame. Mix it well so it can't burn. Cook it until it turns to brown. Now off the flame and bring it to room temperature. Now pour the oil with strainer in an oil bottle. Use it for 1 month and see the magic. It is natural herbal oil having no side effects. It is also good for children. Use it twice in a week. You can see a huge difference with one application.